Hi guys, welcome back to Katia Recipes. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make commercial peanut burger. Let's dive right into the video. So guys, in today's video we're working with 7 cups of peanuts or granuts. Guys, if you're not a professional in coating of peanuts, please don't coat the broken ones, just coat the well round granules. But if you're a professional, you can go ahead and coat with the broken ones. Okay, so guys, it's advisable you sort for the smaller size of peanuts as a beginner. So we'll be needing 5 cups of flour, 2.5 cups of sugar, our milk flavor, vanilla flavor, nutmeg, salt, and of course eggs, baking powder. Let's begin the process. So guys, we'll go ahead and add boiled water into the raw granules. Allow to sit for 30 minutes. Then you go ahead and sieve the water out of the granules using a filter. Then you keep it outside under the sun or just air dry it. Keep it somewhere to dry. So guys, in a separate pan, you go ahead and mix all your dry ingredients. Then you will go ahead and pour the egg into the sugar. Please, when mixing your dry ingredient, don't add the sugar to your dry ingredient, because you'll be mixing the egg and the sugar separately, because that's what you'll be using to coat the peanuts. You can decide to add salt to the egg and sugar mixture, or you can add your salt while mixing the dry ingredients. I added salt while mixing the dry ingredients. So guys, you get a bowl. When the peanut is dried out, you get a bowl. Please, a well balanced bowl. Don't use bucket if you want your peanut to coat very well, except you are coating a little size of peanuts. But if you are coating a large size, please get a bowl that is well balanced on that. Please. So guys, we'll be coating these peanuts 5 times. You can coat 4 times, you can coat 5 times. Please don't coat lesser than 4 or 5 times. If you are using large size of peanuts, you can coat 4 times. If you're using smaller peanuts, please coat 5 times, and make sure your peanut is well coated. So you coat as follows. Look at the way I coated. That is the way you're coating it, so that you will have a perfect round peanut. So guys, we are done coating our peanuts. We'll just go ahead and reheat our oil and start frying. So we'll fry the peanuts, turn peanuts, make sure you stir it gently when it's inside the hot oil, and please don't use too much heat. Okay, don't use too much heat so that you will have a well cooked granite inside the coated peanut. So go ahead and do this the rest of the peanuts, and this is it. Our peanut is ready. Yummy looking peanuts. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.